All monetizing YouTube content creators all over the world are required to submit or update their tax information regardless of your location. This was the announcement from Google AdSense sometime in the month of March earlier this year, and the deadline was also given to be 31st of May 2021, meaning that the enforcement would start, and in fact started since June 1st 2021. By this announcement, any monetized channel that could not update their tax info before the 31st of May and fails to do so before the next paid day would have to face a reduction of their YouTube total earnings of up to 24%. This money would be withheld, and of course by Google, which serves as your employer, and then submits the same to the United States IRS, that's the Internal Revenue Service of the United States. To further stress this, Google actually has the responsibility, according to the US Internal Revenue Code, to collect tax information from all monetizing creators outside of the US, and in some instances to deduct taxes when these creators earn income from viewers in the US. So normally this includes all the incomes you generate on YouTube ads, super chat, YouTube membership, and all of that. And of course, the tax deduction is aside the YouTube percentage deductions from the sources of YouTube revenue. So the big question is it late for you to submit your tax info to Google in the AdSense account that is linked to your YouTube channel? The answer is this: it's not late. You can still do that even today, especially for those monetizing channels that are non-US. The enforcement just begun, okay? However, until your complete and valid tax information is submitted to Google, Google may have to be withholding up to 24% of your total YouTube revenue for monetized channels. And this is not just for US earnings, but worldwide, okay? Your earnings worldwide. And this is pretty much. And again, how much you'll be taxed also depends on a few other things, such as if your valid tax form has been submitted, like I earlier said. Secondly, how much your channel earns from views in the US, and finally, if your country of residence has a tax treaty with US. This is very, very important, because you could be taxed as low as 0% if your country has a tax treaty with the US, or on the other hand, be taxed up to as high as 24% depending on your country. So let me quickly walk you through the step-by-step process on how you can fill and submit the Google tax form for non-US, and you can use your mobile phone to do all that. You don't necessarily need a PC nor a laptop to do all that. And hey, in case you are new on this channel, I'm CN Ona, and then you have to subscribe to this channel. If you found any value in this video, you can as well give it a thumbs up, and I'll be very glad if you do that. So let me quickly take you through the step-by-step process. I am using a mobile phone, and you can use mobile phone. All you need is a good browser, and we are using the Chrome browser, okay? You can now type in to search for google.com/AdSense, and then you wait for it to open, and when it opens, you then okay, it has opened. All right, and then from there you get the notification of important check for you to fill and submit your tax info. So we're going to click on manage tax info, okay, and then it will take us to the page. All right, just a little bit longer, it will take us to this page where you have add tax info. Okay, remember I'm saying to get paid from Google, make sure to provide your tax information. This will take a few minutes, so yes, you will click on add info, add tax info, and you'll be required to sign in officially. So you're going to sign in with your Google account, input your password, and then you click on next. Okay, so it will take you to this page, United Tax Info. Okay, so you choose if you are an individual or non-individual, but I am using individual because I'm an individual. Okay, all right, and then you click on next. When you click on next, it will take you to this page, and you click no. Are you a citizen of or resident of US? No. And then you choose the W8 tax form for non-US. That's the tax form for non-US, the W8 tax form. Okay, that's the tax form that belongs to those that are non-US. And from there, you want to click on the next. Okay, when you click on the next, it will take you to another page. Okay, now starts WBN form. Okay, you want to click on that also, and it will take you to this page, okay, where you have to fill in your country and some other information that is needed. Okay, if you have it says a taxpayer identification, whatever. If you have a tax identification number, you can fill in, but I don't have, so I'll skip it and click on next. Okay, and it will take me to this place where I'll fill in some of the things that are needed. My permanent address, name of individual, my name is there already, my country is there. I'll just fill in my address line 1. Okay, I'll fill in my address line 1 this way, just a little bit longer. Be patient with me, please. Okay, all right, yes, you can skip the address line 2 if you don't have it. Suburb, if you feel like, put your city, your postal code, yes, and then we continue from there to choose our state, your state of residence. Is your mailing address same as permanent address? Yes, you click yes, and then we'll go ahead to click on next. Okay, and then you will be directed to this place. Are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding on that tax? No, I'm not claiming any. I click on no and then click next. Okay, and from there you will be directed to this page. You permit Google to access this place, and you also be required, okay, to preview the form you just filled. Okay, and after the preview, you fill the check box. I confirm that I have received the guaranteed tax documents to the best of my knowledge and all that. So you click on next. Okay, you click on next. Okay, and then you will be required to give your signature, use your full legal name as your signature. Okay, so let's just type in my name. This is my name. So when you fill yours, you're gonna use your full name as your full legal your signature is gonna be your full legal name. Okay, now after that, are you the person listed in the signature section? Yes, I am. Okay, you click yes, and from there you'll be taken to this page where you see everything you've submitted. Okay, and from there you proceed to click on yes, I am the person, and you click on next. Okay, click on next, and then this page will display everything you have submitted. Okay, and from there you fill whatever that is remaining, and it says, as the individual or entity identified in the tax, the answer is no. You click on no, and then you say, I certify that the service blah blah blah. You click and then click on submit. Okay, and you wait for just few seconds or at most a minute, and you'll be approved immediately. Is instant. Okay, look at it, I've been approved. That's basically how you submit, you fill and submit the US tax form for non-US. Many thanks for watching this video, guys. Bye, see you in my next video.